As we heard in this course, AI has the potential to transform how productivity growth translates into economic growth, as well as what impact that has on the labor market. Let's now move on and talk about the market structures itself, especially with respect to market concentration. AI is creating significant market concentration by amplifying the power of companies that can harness it effectively. AI's unique characteristics, the reliance on large data sets, costly infrastructure, and specialized talent create barriers to entry that allow established tech giants to dominate and limit competition. Let's start off with vast data entails manifestation of market concentrations. AI systems rely heavily on vast amounts of data to train models. Companies with large data repositories like Microsoft, Google, Meta, or Amazon have a massive advantage because they can create better, more accurate models. Their extensive data sets improve AI's effectiveness, enabling richer personalization, better predictions, and increased user satisfaction. The cost per unit of data processing decreases as they scale up, leading to improved profit margins and further market entrenchment. This data-centric advantage discourages smaller firms which may lack the same access to valuable user data from competing effectively in AI development. Accordingly, let's introduce the concept of network effects. As more users interact with a company, AI-powered platforms such as Google's search engine or Amazon's recommendation system, these systems gather more data, as you heard a moment ago, refining their algorithms and improving user experience. This self-reinforcing cycle further manifests the company's competitive advantage and makes it harder for new entrants to break into the market. They can apply the resulting AI advancements across multiple business segments at minimal additional costs. Closely related to the concept of network effects is the concept of economics of scale. Companies that operate in multiple sectors benefit from economies of scope. Using AI insights across diverse business areas, large-scale operations also allow these firms to scale AI investments across millions of users, reducing per unit costs and further entrenching their market dominance. Once they have invested in these areas, they can apply the resulting AI advancements across multiple business segments at minimal costs. Talking about the average costs of gaining further market share, let's also talk about the fixed costs and here about the costly AI infrastructure and talent. Developing cutting-edge AI requires considerable investment in infrastructure, such as data centers, GPUs, and cloud storage. Additionally, hiring AI and machine learning experts is costly. These high expenses limit AI innovation to companies with substantial financial resources, leading to fewer players and increased market concentration. At the end of this section, let's take now a closer look at the business models of the AI giants Google and Amazon. These brief case studies highlight the methods by which major players like Google and Amazon leverage AI to establish and maintain dominance. Google's core business, search and advertising, depends heavily on AI to deliver relevant results and targeted ads. Google uses machine learning to interpret user intent, search rankings, and recommending ads that align closely with users' needs. More than 90% of Google's revenue comes from advertising, underscoring how AI drives its profitability and market power. Google's AI powers YouTube's recommendation engine, optimizing video suggestions based on users' previous viewing habits. This AI-driven personalization enhances user engagement, keeping viewers on the platform longer and increasing ad revenue accordingly. Data collection and network effects. Google collects massive amounts of data across all its platforms. Google Search, Gmail, Google Maps, and Android. Each interaction feeds back into its AI models, improving user experience and cementing its dominance across multiple domains. When it comes to innovation, let's highlight one historic example. Google's acquisition of DeepMind in 2015 is a commitment to pioneering AI research. Innovations like AlphaGo and AlphaFold underscore Google's ambition to not only enhance its current products but also to drive breakthroughs in health, energy, and other fields. What about Amazon and its ecosystem? Personalized recommendations and e-commerce. Amazon uses machine learning algorithms to deliver personalized product recommendations, predicting what customers are likely to buy based on their browsing and purchase history. This approach enhances customer experience and drives sales, giving Amazon a competitive edge in online retail. AWS, or Amazon Web Services, the cloud service of Amazon, is the largest globally, offering a range of AI and machine learning services to companies. AWS's economies of scale allow Amazon to invest in advanced AI infrastructure, giving it a clear advantage in cloud computing. Smaller companies using AWS services may indirectly contribute to Amazon's AI advantage, as it enables Amazon to refine its AI algorithms further. Let's also talk about the logistics and inventory management. AI optimizes Amazon's complex supply chain and logistics network, from forecasting demand to managing inventory levels and choosing optimal delivery routes. This efficiency enables Amazon to offer fast, low-cost shipping, a core part of its business model that smaller competitors find hard to match. Amazon's Alexa and, in the wider sense, its Internet of Things ecosystem. Through Alexa, Amazon has created a home-based AI ecosystem, making it easier for users to engage with Amazon's platform for shopping, entertainment, and smart home management. Alexa's network effects are enhanced as more users adopt it, providing Amazon with a treasure trove of voice data to further improve its voice recognition capabilities. Besides the aforementioned, there are also other parts of the Amazon's ecosystem, like Amazon Prime, but to explain all these features that would extend the curriculum. Of course, the same analysis can be carried out by looking at Microsoft and Meta or Facebook. Microsoft uses AI to improve products like the Office package, LinkedIn, and Azure Cloud Services, which attract millions of users across different domains. Like Amazon, Microsoft leverages its cloud platform, Azure, to offer AI services, building both economies of scale and network effects as more businesses use its tools. As well as Facebook's AI systems analyze user interactions to personalize news feeds, suggest friends, and target advertisements. As more users interact on the platform, AI models become better at predicting user behavior, enhancing user engagement and ad effectiveness. So, to briefly wrap up, what are the key takeaways from this lecture? The combination of network effects, economics of scale, and the data economy as such amplifies the competitive advantage of established tech giants concentrating power among a few companies. Or in other words, the winner takes all dynamics, a few dominant players capture most of the market.